The Fill tool in Affinity is basically where all your coloring magic happens, and you can grab it by pressing G, then click on any object, and you'll instantly see a line or a handle appear that represents your fill, and you can drag those handles around to change the direction, angle, and softness of your gradient. Super visual, super easy. You can switch between editing the fill or the stroke from the context option. And from the type menu, you can pick what kind of fill you want. Solid color, linear gradient, radial gradient, elliptical gradient, or even a bitmap fill, which basically means you can insert a picture, pattern, or texture into your shape and move, stretch, or tile it however you want. The color option lets you pick colors, add gradient stops, or adjust each stop individually so your gradient blends exactly how you want. You can rotate the gradient 90 degrees with a single click, reverse the colors if you want them swapped, or lock the aspect ratio so your elliptical or bitmap fills don't stretch weirdly. If you're using a texture, the Extend options determine how it repeats. Wrap repeats normally. Mirror flips the texture for smoother, seamless patterns. Repeat makes perfect repeating designs. And Zero puts the image once in the middle with no tiling. You also get bitmap quality options like Nearest, Bilinear, and Lancoast 3, basically low, medium, and high quality scaling so your texture doesn't look pixelated. And if you don't want the texture to stretch when you resize your shape, you can uncheck Scale with Object to keep everything crisp. For total beginners, the coolest part is that everything in the Fill tool is drag and drop and totally visual. You drag handles, drag colors, drag textures, no complicated menus. Once you play with it for a minute, you'll feel like a pro designer because the Fill tool is literally what gives your shapes life, depth, and that modern style polished look that makes your designs pop instantly.